In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a recurring invoice series using PayPal's intuitive invoicing tools. Whether you're a small business owner or a freelancer looking to automate your billing process, this guide is going to be invaluable for you. So let's dive right in. First things first, you need to log into your PayPal account. Open your preferred web browser and head over to www.paypal.com. You'll want to sign in using your business account credentials. If you're not yet using a business account, this might be a good opportunity to upgrade, as it offers more features tailored to business needs. Now that you're on PayPal's homepage, the next step is to go to the invoicing section. You can do this by navigating to the invoicing tab located at the top of the page. If you don't see it immediately, look for the Pay and Get Paid section. Once you find it, click on Create an Invoice. This will take you to the invoice creation screen where all the magic happens. Once you're in the invoice creation page, it's time to set up the recurring series. Somewhere on this screen, you'll notice an option for recurring series. Go ahead and select it. This feature is what allows PayPal to automatically send invoices on your behalf at the intervals you specify, saving you the time and hassle of manual follow-ups. The next step is to define your schedule for these recurring invoices. You'll start by choosing a start date. This is the date the first invoice in your series will be sent out. It's crucial to pick a date that aligns well with your billing cycle or your client's payment preferences. After setting the start date, you need to determine the frequency of the invoices. PayPal offers various options here, such as daily, weekly, or monthly. It really depends on your business needs or the agreement you have with your client. For example, if you're billing for a monthly subscription service, selecting the monthly option would make the most sense. The final part of setting your schedule is to specify an end date. This could be a specific date when you expect to finish your dealings with the client, or you might choose to keep the invoices running until manually canceled. If you decide to have them continue indefinitely, just keep in mind that you might need to step in and stop them manually at some point. And there you have it, your recurring series is all set up, and you can rest assured knowing that your invoicing is automated and efficient. Being proactive about billing can help maintain strong cash flow and ensure you spend more time focusing on what you love in your business. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out other videos in the series for more helpful tips on managing your business with PayPal.